One spoon, that's it, and your whole pot wakes up. This isn't just green seasoning, this is all purpose magic. There's something about fresh herbs. They don't whisper flavor, they announce it. I present you this freshness. Look at these herbs, so vibrant, so alive. The colors alone tell you that the flavor is going to be bold. I've listed every single ingredient in the description below so you can bring the same freshness into your kitchen. From my heart, thank you to all my wonderful subscribers. Your support means everything to me. You are part of this Melv's kitchen. You are family, and we're growing together, one recipe at a time. Thank you. And there you have it, fresh, vibrant green seasoning. This is not just herbs blended together. This is layers of flavor. You can use it to season any of your creatures, your chicken, fish, shrimp, lamb, beef, you name it, and even your rice. This is your all purpose base. Now for storage, pour it into a clean airtight glass jar or a container and refrigerate for up to 1 week. For a longer storage, freeze it in small portions or ice cube trays. That way you can grab one cube at a time whenever you are ready to cook. I feel like there's no right or wrong way to this process. You can use any herbs of your choice. The more the herbs, the richer and greenier it becomes.